Hello, it's Miss Lynch, and this video is going to be about Karel 2.1.4 pancakes. So we're going to be making pancakes, making Karel pancakes, as I like to say. All right, so let's show the exercise first. Karel is the waiter. He needs to deliver a stack of pancakes to the guests on the 2nd, 4th, and 6th Avenue. And let's recall real quick that going horizontal on this grid is a street. And going up this grid is called an avenue. So if we have to go to the 2nd, 4th, and 6th avenues, right, we're going to be stopping right where these stack of pancakes end up. All right, so each stack of pancakes should have 3 pancakes. In this case, these hypothetical pancakes are made of the balls that Karel puts down. All right, so we need to create a function called make pancakes to help Karel solve this problem. The world should end up exactly as shown here. Okay, so create a function called make pancakes. Can't skip that step. Let's go. All right, so here's the result we need. If we've forgotten the exercise, we can always click show exercise. All right, first things first, we need to get Karel over to the 2nd Avenue, so we need to have him move. And now we need to have him make a stack of pancakes. So let's move our definitions down to the bottom of the code so they don't get in our way. And we're going to call this make pancakes. We use the parentheses and then the curly brackets. Go back, click in between the curly brackets and hit enter. That way you ensure you have proper indentation. All right, so what does making a pancake look like? Well, making a stack of pancakes is basically putting 3 balls on top of each other. So we're going to put ball, put ball, put ball, right? So that should be an adequate definition. And let's try it. Let's see, make pancakes. We're calling it up here now. We don't have to define it again up there because we've already defined it down here. Karel will jump down and read it. So let's try this. Let's have him make a stack of pancakes and move so we can see whether or not he put down the correct number. See how he jumps down and reads the definition? Okay, so yeah, he did that correctly. So he needs to move one more time, right, to get to the 4th Avenue. And then he could make another stack of pancakes. Let's see where that brings him. All right, there's his first stack. There's the 2nd stack. Let's see now, what do we have to do? All right, looks like we have to move a couple more times to get him over to that 6th Avenue. And he needs to make his pancakes. Let's run that. Now, if you're able to envision it all in your head and just keep writing the code without running it, that's great. Sometimes, though, it does help to see where you are on the grid. All right, looks like I'm missing one last thing, and that is our last move. Okay, move. Now, we should get the all blue for nice job. You did great. All right, looks good. Says nice job, and you got it. All right, so now we can submit and continue. Woo, to the next problem. All right. Well, I hope that helped you.